When your business suffers a data breach, panic is your worst enemy. The decisions you make in the first 48 hours will determine the financial and reputational survival of your business. Here is the step-by-step plan every Sydney business should follow. In the first 4 hours, focus purely on containment. Disconnect infected systems from the network immediately, but do not turn them off, as this destroys forensic evidence. Engage your IT security partner to secure the perimeter and assess exactly what data was accessed. Between hours 4 and 24, engage your cyber insurance provider and legal counsel. You need to determine if the breach falls under the Australian Notifiable Data Breaches Scheme. If sensitive client information was compromised, you are legally required to report it. By hour 48, you must execute your communication plan. Be transparent with affected clients about what happened and what you are doing to protect them. Meanwhile, your IT team will begin safely restoring operations from your immutable, offline backups. Don't wait until you are breached to figure out your response plan. If your Sydney business needs robust cyber security and incident response planning, talk to Milnsbridge. Call 1300 300 293.